Do you know what time it is? It's cafecito time. That's right. There's always coffee on the workbench. You may not always see it, but it is there. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike. I just got back from Lake Forest, California on this course that I found, or this little racetrack. It's awesome. It's a dirt track. I had a lot of fun. I really did. To me, it was a very simple track. It wasn't as technical as some of these other tracks that you've seen out there with the long turns and the hairpins and the jumps. This was simple. It gave me a lot of practice and learned the mechanics of my RC, which is the TLR Arrma that I took out there. So it gave me a lot of time behind the wheel and practice a little bit. I'm definitely going to go back out there and learn a little bit more. But in the meantime, while I was out there, I was able to meet a couple new people out there, which is, it was really exciting. They brought out their Mini Max, they brought out their Typhon Grom, and we were just racing around having a good time. So to see that comparison between the Grom Typhon and my Typhon, it's just a huge difference. It's pretty cool, but those things are so quick. I'm definitely going to try to invest into one soon. I think it's a great track for a beginner like myself to just learn how to brake and the technicalities of racing, and having fun at the same time. So I think that was the most important part of this trip here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did out there in the track. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and if there's a track near you that you want me to visit and check it out, go ahead and leave a link down below, and I'll try to visit you guys out there. Until then, my name is Mike, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video for you guys. See you guys on the track soon. Oh, sorry. Is that 50?
Ooh, early.
I know, it's really dry. I came here on Wednesday on my lunch break and I had my big 8 scale Erie though.
Oh, sorry. Oh. Turned over. Oh.
Hunt you down. Yeah, I ain't playing around. I'ma take your crown. Man, better run, gonna hunt you down. I'm gonna hunt you down. Yeah, I ain't playing